Hi, I'm Roger Woodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with the BISH organization. Today we're going to make some cheesecake in an '08 Sightseer. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to make a couple of cheesecakes and let my co-workers have them. So let's go ahead and get to it. It's a nice, quick, simple recipe, easy to do in your RV. We're going to be using a convection microwave, an air fryer, and a regular propane oven. So that way we can kind of see the difference between the way they cook. Okay, let's go ahead and get to it. It doesn't take much to do this, which is why it's one of my favorite recipes. So we're gonna do 2 of them, and I'm gonna use a ready crust. They don't take up much space, and they're super easy to do. Give our lemon a little squeeze. This gets the juice all easy to come out. Get this sour cream chopped up a little bit, make it easier to add the rest of my ingredients. For 1 cheesecake, it takes about 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna, like I said, we're doing 2 of them, so we're going to do 1 with strawberries on top and 1 with blueberries on top. I like to add a little bit of sour cream into my mix. It makes it a little bit smoother. We're going to take a pause. We're going to turn our oven up to about 350. Then we're going to get our convection oven going. So, no kidding. So, I've got my regular propane oven warming up, set it at 350 degrees. Gary got my convection microwave going at 350 degrees, preheating on convection. Okay, so let's get back to this. This is the big one. It has 2 extra servings. And like, you know, I'm diabetic, so I don't get to actually taste this or eat it or anything. So, Gary does. He's excited about it. I also like these because you can take this, flip it over, and now you've got a cover to put it in the refrigerator. So, let's get back to whipping up this batter. Fling a little around there. That's really all there is to the cheesecake batter. And we'll give these a little toss there. So, our ovens are both up to temp. I'm gonna put this one right in here. I'm gonna put this one in here. In the meantime, we're gonna whip up our topping. And I do mine a little different than some people, because I like to add a little bit of lemon. I like lemon. And then just a little bit of sugar. No, I got maybe 1/8 of a cup, 2 tablespoons. And I like to add a little drizzle of vanilla, about 1/2 of a cap. So, looks like we got about 15 minutes left on our cheesecake. So we're gonna go ahead and slice up our strawberries and get our topping prepped. Nice thin slices. We got about 5.5 minutes left on our convection timer. We've got our strawberries all nicely sliced up. I like to add a little bit of sugar, a light sprinkling across the top. Give them a toss, get that, because you know, sugar makes everything better except for diabetes. Look at that beautiful cheesecake, just starting to come along nicely there. We're going to take and put in a little bit of our topping here. And we'll put this back in. I want to be very gentle here. We're not going to go quite out to the edge because we're going to put some either blueberries or strawberries on top of this one. There we go. Now let's see how we're doing in our regular propane oven with my trusty little hot pad here. See, this one's not quite as done, okay? Which is exactly what I expect. I expect the oven to take about 10 minutes longer than our convection oven. Let's take a look. You know, if I were a little taller, I could tell you how it looks. Look at that, just a beautiful cheesecake. And I'm gonna top this one with some blueberries. Because I'll tell you what, I eat better out camping than I do any place else. You look at my figure and you go, you must camp a lot. So, here's our propane oven cheesecake. We're gonna do a little strawberry topping on it. Yeah, I don't think I can spell anything out with strawberries, so we're gonna just go ahead and go right around the edge here. Go out, do a little fishing on the lake. Come back and have this waiting for you. Oh. 2 cheesecakes cooked in an RV. I'm Roger Woodruff here with Gary, and we appreciate you coming out and watching us. Like I said, I'm Roger Woodruff here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon on a beautiful day. Thank you to BISH RV for letting us do this, and y'all have a great day.